Welcome to The Garden, a channel on practical solutions for turning data into information. Working with a copy of a source file is a common practice in data analysis. This separation protects the source data against any accident. In Excel, Power Query provides a simple and easy solution for connecting to a spreadsheet. To make our work a bit easier when we move to Power Query, let's give our data table a name of score against opponent. Our starting point is a new spreadsheet that I label My Analysis. Now, we need to connect our spreadsheet to the source data. At this point, it's a good idea to give our query a name. For this video, we will use the advanced editor to write our code that connects My Analysis spreadsheet to the player stats spreadsheet. So let's go. First, I'm adding a short description of the project and standard information like the author. To do so, we will use the multi-line comment statement in Power Query. The statement starts with a / followed by 2 stars and another /. Any text within this container is considered comment, which the editor will ignore when rendering the result. Now, it's time to connect My Analysis spreadsheet to the player stats spreadsheet. Power Query has an Excel object built for reading Excel spreadsheet. For this video, we will pass in the file content as the argument of the workbook method. For now, think of a method as another word for a function. Let's look at the result. Our connection returns 2 elements of type table. The first table element represents the Excel spreadsheet labeled Sheet 1. The second table element represents the data table in Sheet 1. By using a data table, we make it easier for Power Query to recognize column name for each field in our table. Next, we will create a direct connection to the score against opponent table using a variable name opposing team. Here, the item attribute will be the name of the table. Then, the kind attribute will be the element type, in this case, table. We are only interested in the data content of the table. Let's see the result. Excel loaded the result as a table. The benefit of using a connection versus the actual data is that we can easily retrieve any data point we accidentally delete or change using the refresh button. Another benefit of Power Query is that it allows you to effectively perform certain data manipulation tasks using the table object. For this video, I'm going to create a subset of the source file that contains fields we will use in our next video. To do so, I will use the select column method of the table object. Done. We are ready for our next video. Thank you for watching this video. Join the community for more content on practical solutions for turning data into information.